Hey guys, what's up? So today we should top best jerseys 5, 7, 12, 13, and 14. The first three is called Lucian Trial. I do want to actually apologize first off because I was in Florida for about a week, and I do leave for the military as I make this video in actually 6 days. Just became 6 days because it's past midnight. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I won't be obviously making top tweets videos while I'm away in the military. I kind of can't. They don't allow me to, but when I get back I definitely plan on continuing these, and I've made so much in the past that literally like I have been premiering like every 3 days, and I've been premiering on one of my channels. I do 3 of these. I'm saying 3 channels, pretty much top tweets, but my main central tweets channel, I literally have top tweets videos premiering up until January of 2022, and it is actually August 24th of 2021. So I literally have 4 months worth of top tweets videos premiering every 3 days for over 4 months. So that's just crazy. Like I literally, that's nuts. But I have a lot to catch up on. Being away for a week and not being able to upload or make top tweets videos definitely got me far behind. But I'll definitely catch up. And then when I leave for the military and come back, I'll be behind again. But that's a story for another time. Yeah, it's definitely worth it joining the military. I mean, just in my opinion, because getting to serve my country, and just all that stuff. But yeah, first week's called Lucian Trial, and fully native, creating iOS frameworks, no extra battery drain from web views or anything that's getting in your way. So it's beautiful. Android 12 inspired lock screen for iOS 14. And this is the actual tweak Lucian. The trial is if you guys want to test it out before actually purchase it, because this tweak does cost $2. So like I said, it's a beautiful Android 12 inspired lock screen for iOS 14. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. This uses a theme called Motzi. It's unique, shapeless, colorful glyphs with very spatial, shapeless icon pack which pushes the boundaries of what an icon pack can be. That's what it looks like. This uses a theme called Lollipop White, a light version of the original Lollipop theme. This is called PoJav Launcher iOS Dev, and Minecraft JavaScript comes to iOS. This is called YTHD Unlocker and launch HD videos in the YouTube app. This is called Contacts Extended, and your contacts with more options. You guys read this. This is called No YT Premium, removes YouTube Premium upsell alerts. This is called No YTM Premium, and compatible with iOS 11 and up. iOS version supported. Removes YouTube Premium, YouTube Music Premium upsell elements, banners, alerts, tabs, items. This is called Auto Scroll, and you're tired of mechanical scroll and slavery. So this tweak automatically lets you scroll for you. Also mentioned with the other tweak, auto scroll, you can control the scroll speed, and it's on the Palooza repo. This is called Call Reminders, iOS 5 and 6, contacts directly from reminders. This is called Call Reply. This is called Call Recorder X Plus, record phone and VIP calls or VIP on your iPhone natively. Sports phone, VIP calls, such as WhatsApp, Viber, Skype, FaceTime, Line, WeChat, etc. It works with iOS 12, all devices iOS 12 and up. Make sure you guys read the, does this not have the warning and legal notice? If you guys don't comply with that, you could possibly break in the law, depending on where you are at. So comply with the legal and warning notice. And me, your developer, is not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. So make sure you guys, by installing this tweak, you are accepting the terms of use, which is that warning and legal notice. So keep that in mind. This is called Celia Beta Channel, a proper APT client, 511 and higher. This is called Dayan, and Tired of the Way. Okay. Provides a completely new and modern looking notification banner experience, added many new features to the process. Highly customizable, so you get the way you want it. The developer is working on iOS 14 update with this tweak. I mentioned with Celio officially supports all jailbreaks, and Celia Beta has been updated to fix bug fixes and added improvements, which is actually Celio version, I think, 2.2. So it's also a significant performance improvements, brings support for all jailbreaks, like I said. So I think the beta, Celia Beta channel is the one you guys want to install. This is called Grider, and display any grid, a grider. Display any grid you want, anywhere you want. So this is good for like apps like the golf app. So you could like even 8-ball pool to be good for. It's kind of cheating, so I don't condone this in any way. This is video for educational purposes only, guys. We have to save our own butts out here. Even by me saying that, YouTube will probably still take down this video. Oh well. But yeah, I mean, this is just a tweak. I don't suggest using this for cheating, but this is a tweak, and this is what it does, guys. It's a gritter tweak, and displays a grid on your device, which is pretty cool. This tweak is called Super Recorder X Plus. It's just like Call Recorder X Plus. Allows you to record on your phone or VIP call on your iPhone without using external call service. The one I use is called Auto Recorder X. That's just the one I like the best. And just all like I said, same deal as the other one. Make sure you guys read and follow the warning and leave a notice. Be developing something responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. And by you guys downloading this tweak, you are accepted in terms of agreements, which includes the warning and leave a notice. So just make sure you guys follow your laws in your country, county, state, wherever you guys live. And if you don't, you could be held responsible for breaking the law. Called IG Classic Layout, stands for our Instagram Classic Layout, compose and lights at bottom, the rest at above. Next tweak is called IG Copy Comments and compatible with iOS 11 to 14 up. Copy Instagram labels, bio description, comments. Next is called You Know It. No, it's called You. It's by Miro, a great developer. Best tweak for the YouTube app. So yeah. I do want to read this to you guys. UU will now support all YouTube formats, MP4 plus WebM, and all YouTube qualities from 144p to 4K, and frames from 30 frames per second, 50 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. Also supports HDR. Pretty cool. I do want to apologize, guys. I'm actually currently on 2 hours of sleep. Why am I not sleeping? I just want to get some work done. You know, I'm gonna get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I didn't fall asleep till like 1:30, so 2.5 hours of sleep. I lied. I had to get up at like 3. No, I woke up at 3 to go to the bathroom, and that took me like 10 minutes to fall back to sleep. So maybe, I don't know. I don't even know how much sleep I got, guys. Like, my memories, when I don't get sleep, I can't remember anything. So I don't know if I got like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I wouldn't say more than 2 hours of sleep. So yeah, I just want to do some work, and I'll probably go to bed. And I do have 6 days left till I leave for the military, so I'm kind of like time limited. I do have a lot of people I want to hang out with, a lot of people I have to see before I leave, and yeah, a lot of things I gotta get done before I leave in other sense. It's called UMusic PIP. UMusic Picture-in-Picture enables the native picture-in-picture YouTube Music app, which is called NetFence, and monitor your network traffic. So it accepts all outgoing network connection for your device, and it allows you to allow it or not allow or block the connection. It's called Emulo, and it's app tweak, make and rewrite, emulate NFC, lightweight version to enable background reading or devices. So NFC is I forgot what it stands for. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tired. But it's kind of like we could like read like a chip. So I mean, I'm not sure you guys know Elias Limnios, or Elias. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. I apologize, but he's actually a developer who made a tweak that has NFCs, like kind of like the chips that like debit card and some hotel cards use. You know, like you scan. It's like, you hold like the card like against like your hotel door sometimes. Or I mean, you put it in your card, you put in the chip in, like for a hotel room, then you take it out, and then it unlocks your door. That's kind of like an NFC chip, like that. That's basically a chip that allows you to put in there, and then unlock the door and take it out. Each chip is synced to individually to each door. That's how they work. So since your phone has like, I think certain phones, like I don't think every iPhone, but certain iPhones, like especially the newer models, has that chip or something similar to that chip. So it has like the NFC feature. So it's really complicated, but you can actually use your phone as like, you know, as a card technically to like put your, you know, your phone next to the door to a hotel room and unlock the door. That is possible. It is very complicated how to do it, but yeah, that's pretty much that. It's called NFC Writer XX or something from Limnios. This is a tweak right here. It's from Limnios. It isn't debug, but pretty much when you guys see a tweak or anything in debug, I'm pretty sure it means that it's just not being worked on. I think the developer did like abandoned it, as in like they just stopped working on it, and I think that's what debug means. I know it's EOLs end of life, so that's probably that. But I think debug is when they stop working on it, I believe. So I don't know everything, guys. I really don't. I gotta look up what it means in updated term. So debug. After he monitors everything that's happened in the program, there's around phrases. I don't know. I don't know what it means. Even when you Google stuff, it does not help you. How do I debug? What does debug mean? Identify to remove errors. Wow. So I was completely wrong. It just removes errors. That's the stupidest thing I've heard ever. Okay. I don't know, guys. That's pretty much the tweak. You're right. Copy pads. So, pretty cool. Hasn't been updated in quite some time, I believe. Right? Changelog. It doesn't even tell you the date. That's stupid. Alright. Yeah, pretty cool though. I mean, cool idea. Like I said, you can like have like a chip to your device. Connect to remote service, based on emulate the remote tag. So, pretty cool. But it is very complicated on how to get to work. A CC patch. A small patch comp center removes cyan chets, allows for things such as carrier crack. She's called CC Pandora Thumbs. And this week, as Pandora Thumbs up down to control center. This week's called Signal Reborn. It's basically tells you or maps out where the cell towers are. How it does this is actually, I'm pretty sure it does this by the connection wise. So like it pretty much their phone, it like, I guess it like senses like how strong the connection is and like which direction it's coming from, and I guess it estimates where a tower would be. So I guess it's not always accurate, but it's like it's pretty accurate. Like in that like area is where the cellular tower would be. What you guys can use this tweak for, I really don't know. I mean, the only thing I can just think of is, you know, maybe if you want to move somewhere and you want like good cellular connection, you can move somewhere near a tower. I don't know. I mean, unless you want to. I really don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what, like, it's a cool tweak, don't get me wrong, and tells you a lot of information that 99% of us don't know or understand or don't need. And I'm sorry for being harsh in this video, guys. I'm just being real with you. But it's a cool tweak, though. I just don't see the use of it. No offense. But it's a cool tweak. I mean, I can't do anything better than this. I can't make a tweak at all. But still, I mean, it's useless for the most part. We're back on Reprovision Reborn, guys. I actually received an update. That's why I'm making this video on it. Not this video on it, but I'm adding to the list. But yeah, it was updated version 0.7.0. It's still in release form. Crazy. It was released like, I think like 8-9 months ago. Allows you to re-sign applications on your device. It is a not update, but a sequel, I guess you can say, like movie type sequel to Reprovision from Matt Clark, but Matt Clark stopped working on it and put EOL and a life. So Soy Satai, I'm sorry. This person pretty much made Reprovision Reborn and you know, updated. So it works. I mean, I used to use Reprovision from Matt Clark, and I use Reprovision Fits, and it still works fine. Let me knock on some wood, guys, because me saying this tomorrow, it's not gonna work. All right, that's the best wood I can find. That's near me. Alright, so allows you to basically sign apps. I know a lot of people use AltStore. I don't care for AltStore. I used it a couple times and I just never had any luck with AltStore. I keep getting errors and issues. So Reprovision Reborn and Reprovision is the way I would go. This is what I think is easier for me to use, but you guys can use what you guys want to use. Obviously, if you don't have a jailbreak, then AltStore is your only way to go. You do need a jailbreak for Reprovision or Reprovision Reborn, as you need Cydia to get it. Cydia equals jailbreak. And my Reborn, like I said, it's been end of life, the original Reprovision. And the one thing I noticed that I didn't intend to update for non-iOS, perhaps an update for iOS to make it incompatible with other operating systems. And a lot of the original developer about the issue, supports iOS 14 above. The big thing was that Reprovision did not work on iOS 14 or above. That's pretty much like a big reason why the developer made this tweak for Reprovision Reborn, because it does support iOS 14 above. Well, it supports lower, but it does support iOS 14 as well. Let's go to the update. So yeah, it supports iOS 14.5 and above now, including iOS 15. It supports URL scheme and a bug fix. updated August 14th, and it's currently, like I said, like August 24th. I've been away for last week, that's why I'm a little behind. So my sincere apologies, guys. This week is called Son Tias by Sam Vesher. It brings the noise cancellation control to of your headphones to the built iOS menu from the Checkra1n repo, which is not coming up for me when I search it up. This week's called Swipe to Delete Contact and Delete Contacts with Swipe. This week's called Sonnet Tuss. It actually does come up. Just was putting it wrong. I guess like the lack of sleep and is affecting my eyesight, so I can't read now properly. Well, I can't see properly. Oh, there is a glare, so I'll give that. Alright, so this week brings the noise cancellation control of your headphones. I knew I had Checkra1n repo installed, so I refresh it every time, which takes forever. Cydia is the worst with refreshing, especially for a bunch of sources. If you guys want like refresh sources really quickly, I don't know about Cydia, I don't use Cydia, but Zebra is extremely fast with refreshing sources. So yeah. This is called Smart Bundle 2, and it's the combination of the Smart Battery 2, Ultimate Tweet the Monitor, Save and Tune Your Battery, and Smart Network 2. It's much how to tweet the monitor, handle Wi-Fi plus mobile data efficiently. It's called Blanca to redesign your control center, reverse the notification banners to leaf style. This is called You Remember Caption. Makes you to remember your video caption setting, if not already. There's a theme called Phoenix OS, a theme with beautiful icon badges, and replaces the iOS icons with a wonderful color palette. Also ingredients with icons to look clean and modern. This is called Tweakio, and a global package to search tab for Cydia, install Cydia and Zebra. You have a Tweakio app, it's just an app version of Tweakio. So you guys will catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.